Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello everyone, in this problem we have given in an oscillating LC circuit in terms of the maximum charge, Q is the maximum charge. In terms of this maximum charge, what is the charge there when the energy is electric field, 50% of that in the magnetic field. We know that in LC oscillation, energy is conserved. In LC oscillation, energy is conserved. Suppose UE is the energy stored in capacitor and UB is the energy stored in inductor. So we can say the total energy U is conserved, which is equal to UE plus UV. That means when energy in capacitor UE is equal to half of magnetic energy which is stored in inductor, we can write that time UV should be also equal to 2 times of energy stored in capacitor. Now we can write the total energy is equal to UE plus UV, which is equal to twice of UE. So we can write total energy is equal to 3 times of UE at that time when 50% of energy is stored in electric field, which is 50% of that in the magnetic field. Now we know that total energy is equal to Q max divided by 2C, and suppose this time here this will be equal to 3 times into Q square divided by 2C. Now Q will be equal to Q upon root 3. That means it is equal to 0.577 of maximum charge. That means that time charge is equal to 0.577 times of the maximum charge. Now we have to find that time. In part B, we know that the time dependent charge on the capacitor is equal to maximum charge into cos of omega t. When Q becomes Q 0.577 Q, that time we will know that time if we put this value here. So if we solve this, it is equal to Q cos omega t. That means cos of omega t is equal to 0.577. That means omega t is equal to cos inverse 0.577. We know that time is equal to cos of inverse 0.577 divided by omega, which is equal to 2 pi by t. So t will be here. If we solve this, we get the time which is equal to 0.152 multiply with t. This is the time when it happened.